Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining the SmartThings app in 2026. So we will going to understand what it does, whether you actually need it. So if you have seen SmartThings on your Samsung phone or heard about smart home control, this app plays a very big role in it. So let's break it down step by step. So the SmartThings application is a smart home application which is developed by Samsung. It allows you to connect and control the different smart devices like lights, TVs, ACs, cameras, and more. So with SmartThings, you can basically turn the devices on and you can also turn them off remotely. You can control the brightness, temperature, or the settings. You can monitor the device in the real time, and you can even create the automations for the daily routines. So SmartThings works with Samsung devices like smart TVs, refrigerators, and washing machines, but it also supports many third-party brands. It connects using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, or Matter supported devices in the newer setups. So in order to use it, you will need to first of all install the application, then add your devices with it. Afterwards, you need to connect them on your home network. Once it is connected, everything shows inside the app and you can easily control all the devices from your app. So the real question here is, should you really need it or should you install it? So if you only need SmartThings, if you use smart home devices, if you don't have any of the smart gadgets, the app won't be very useful for you. So if this video helped you understand the SmartThings application better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.